How to unignore messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, to ignore a message, what you can do is hold on to the group chat. Keep that in mind. You won't be able to ignore individuals' message. You can only ignore group's message. So hold on to the group, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, click on ignore. Press on ignore. After you've done that, now to ignore a message, click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will find archive in here. And as you can see, this was the ignored group. Hold on to the group. And now you won't find unignore option. You'll find unarchive. Click on unarchive. Now if you go back to chats, you will find your group in here. This is how to unignore messages on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.